Istam painani alongo chobjaroni jaitirbai maranyani shep traffic khobai chikon mikon samung hamya khlaima bai gringjak patimung khobai kaijisa kokbo thomnati online ni bisingte Lukurokni shebrina nahan mute Sabroom bwkhakste dorban nogo Phiyogwi rijaka Sewa center chasal phung damjisa haitama jora Sabroom bwkhakste dorban nogo kaisa pandani bisingte Sewa center Phiyogwi kha hasini kujuk dorban nogni chief justice subhajit tolapatra bonokaribo phaimanjaka dorban nogni kubni atonro
Judicial that I want to argue this matter, or I would like to make my submission from Sabroom. He will share you with one code, give you the time when you will be able to make your submission before the High Court through video conferencing system. And video conferencing system is handheld nowadays. From your Android phone, you can hold the video conferencing. So this is the preliminary steps. But in future, I am telling you that one story, it may appear a story even now. In 2023, in the state of Barcelona in the USA, they will just abolish all the physical structures of the courtrooms. There will be no lawyer's chamber, no physical courtrooms, no judge's chamber, no boundaries of the court, no places for the judicial clerks. So, but there would be a court that we call it a virtual court. Come to this occasion, to attend this occasion. This is a holiday for the judges. Usually judges are not supposed to travel to the far away, but we think it's our duty to come and inaugurate this Sewa Kendra. The respected members of the bar, particularly the President of the Bar Association, my brother and sister judicial officers, and I just extend my greetings to all the friends from the media, both print and electronic. I will say just a few words about what is the Sewa Kendra and what is its future purpose. Sewa Kendra is an adjunct, this one-stop solution center for digitization of the entire judiciary. What the services, this will be available here, this given in this is a placard just outside the Sewa Kendra. So I will not just dwell upon much on that aspect of the matter, but how it serves the lawyers serving far away from the high courts, far away from the Supreme Court, or from other high courts or the courts of the other jurisdictions. In future, suppose even today, if you want to file an application, suppose a civil revision petition in the High Court, a bail application in the High Court, you can file this application from this room through e-filing system, and that will be duly listed before the appropriate court.
Earlier, during December, I had a plan of visiting Sabroom and billionaire courts. It so happened on the day when I scheduled my program, Lok Adalat was going on, and accordingly I had to postpone. And ultimately the day has come. Today we are all together, and the occasion that it's a feather in the hat of Sabroom courts, Sewa Kendra is now made available for litigant public and the councils.
The judicial officers, the rising sun declares morning. So, good morning to all. in this morning gives us immense delight that our E-Sabha Kendra is going to be inaugurated by His Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice S. Talapatra, Chairperson of the Computer Committee of the High Court of Tripura. In august presence of His Lordship, Mr. Justice T. Amarnath Gaur, Judge, High Court of Tripura, for the developments of works of the Court of Sabroom. I, from the core of my heart, welcome His Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice S. Talapatra, Judge, High Court of Tripura, as well as His Lordship, Mr. Justice T. Amarnath Gaur, Judge, High Court of Tripura, and also other invitees for the participations in this inaugural ceremony.